A horse's true power. It's not 1 horsepower. Science and fun facts. Hey everyone, and welcome to FactSpark. You think 1 horsepower means the power of 1 horse? Think again. What if I told you a single horse can actually produce way more than that? Get ready to have your mind blown because today we're uncovering the surprising truth behind horsepower. Back in the 18th century, a brilliant Scottish engineer named James Watt needed a way to sell his revolutionary steam engines. How do you compare a newfangled machine to the muscle power everyone understood? Horses, of course. Watt observed horses turning a mill wheel and calculated their sustained work output over a full day. He landed on 33,000 foot-pounds per minute, and voila! 1 horsepower was born. But here's the kicker. He deliberately emphasized sustained power, making his tireless engines look even better than a horse that needs a coffee break. So, what is horsepower? Scientifically, it's a unit of power which is just the rate at which work is done over time. Think of it as how fast you can get a job done. 1 mechanical horsepower is precisely 33,000 foot-pounds per minute, or 550 foot-pounds per second. Imagine lifting a 550-pound weight 1 foot in just 1 second. That's 1 horsepower. It's an abstract unit, like a meter or a kilogram, not a direct measure of an animal's peak strength. And fun fact, the official international unit for power is the watt, named after James Watt himself. 1 horsepower is about 746 watts. There are also different types of horsepower like electrical, metric, and even boiler horsepower, each with slightly different definitions. Now for the juicy part. While a horse can comfortably sustain about 1 horsepower over a long workday, that's not their full potential. For short, intense bursts of effort, like in a pulling contest, a single horse can unleash up to 14.9 horsepower. That's almost 15 times the official unit. To put that in perspective, a robust human can briefly produce slightly more than 1 horsepower. And a horse's peak power? It's comparable to a motorcycle. This is the difference between running a marathon and a 100-meter sprint. Horses are incredible athletes, capable of amazing bursts of energy. Interestingly, when multiple horses work together, their power output doesn't scale linearly. For example, 2 horses can sustain about 2.5 horsepower. So, the paradox is simple. James Watt defined horsepower based on what a horse could do all day long, not what it could do in a quick burst of raw power. He wanted to show that his engines could work tirelessly, unlike a living, breathing animal that gets tired. It was a clever marketing move that stuck around. Horses are biological wonders, not machines with a constant output. Their power is dynamic, variable, and frankly, awe-inspiring. Speaking of awe-inspiring, let's sprinkle in some fun facts about these magnificent creatures. Did you know horses have the largest eyes of any land animal, giving them nearly 360-degree vision? Or that they have 16 muscles in each ear, allowing them to rotate them almost 180 degrees independently? And here's a wild one. Their teeth take up more space in their head than their brain. They can even sleep standing up thanks to a special stay apparatus in their legs. Plus, their hearts weigh a whopping 9 to 10 pounds on average. No wonder they're such incredible athletes. They're also obligate nasal breathers, meaning they can only breathe through their nose, and their reflexes are lightning fast, capable of a powerful kick in just 0.3 seconds. Foals are remarkably mobile from birth, able to walk and run within hours. Beyond their physical prowess, horses are highly intelligent, social animals that form strong relationships and symbolize honor in many cultures. We hope you enjoyed this deep dive into the real power of horses. If you learned something new and had a laugh, smash that like button. What other scientific myths should we debunk? Let us know in the comments below. And don't forget to subscribe to FactSpark for more fun, educational content that makes you go, aha! We're always working to bring you the most engaging and informative videos. Make sure to hit the notification bell so you don't miss our next upload. Thanks for watching, and remember, sometimes the truth is stranger and more powerful than fiction. See you next time.